Everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about French borrowing. As we start here, as ecclesiastical is related to religion, as ecclesiastical religion was also chiefly under the control of higher classes. We fixed a great many French words connected with the church, such as religion, service, sanctus, angel, etc. You can see here the word ecclesiastical it means a church. Move on to the next paragraph. It was a revoke that first made by Iron Wall and that has been often repeated, especially after Sir Walter Scott made it popular in Ivano. That while the names of several animals in their lifetime are in English, example calf, sheep, swine, bear, deer, etc. They appear on the table with French names, for example, beef, mutton, pork, venison, etc. This is so perhaps because the living animals were generally left to the lower classes, while the meat was mostly eaten by the masters. As we get to know that most of the French words found their way into English, and about 3/4 of these words are still uses. Even in India, we also use the French words, many French words. For example, a king from Old English crying can be kingly. Royal from French royal, ROIAL. The pronunciation of English changed to some extent under the influence of French, as did the spelling as well. As we get to know, like most of the words, even in this video, we had looked on the examples mutton, beef, pork, deer, beer. These all are the French words and English word. Even in India, we also use this word. Mostly, you may look like in India we uses the two kinds of English. Most of the British English and American English as well. And also the word associated with government, law, art, literature, food, and many other aspects of life are also come from French as well. We can see on the whole that the masters knew how to enjoy life and secure the best thing to themselves. Thus, words like joy, pleasure, comfort, and also the names of flowers and fruits have French origin. The deceives French influence in English vocabulary began after the Norman conquest of England, which took place in 1066. Unlike the Danes, the French were felt as an alien race. Their occupation of the country, which lasted much longer, attracted much more notice. The French represent higher culture than the natives and had a literature of their own. The Normans became the master of England and they remained so far a sufficiently long time to leave a deep impress on the language. Again, come to the next paragraph. Since the immigrants were from the upper classes of the French society, many of the French loan words are distinctively aristocratic. It is a true that the left of the old words, kings and queen, enact, but apart from these old words related to government and administrative are French. For example, crown, state, government, realm, sovereignty, country, power, minister, chancellor, and many more. So here in this paragraph we can see that many of our government words, many of our administrative words are taken from French. Feudalism was important from France and with it were imported a number of words such as beads, feudal, vassal, league, prince, beer, peer, tube, duchess, etc. It is surprising that Lord and Lady continued to remain as also Earl, but the early life was now designated by the French as Countess. As the word feudalism, it means the social system which existed in the Middle Ages, in which people worked and fought for a person who owned land and received land and protection from him in return. So you can see that feudalism is a government or social word in which people fought for the person who took their land in order to protect them. Now we move to the second paragraph. The word count is French as well as adjective related to court life such as courteous, noble, fine, refined, etc. So here we start again the very important paragraph of this borrowing. Most of the terms related to law, yes, please listen here carefully. Most of the terms related to law are French, which we used in our country as well, like example, judge, plead, attorney, crime, penalty, privilege, etc. These are the words which we use in our country as well, in our administrative, in our judiciary language as well. The upper class says, as a matter of course, took into their hand the management of the military words, for example, war, peace, battle, arms, armor, lieutenant, sergeant, soldier, troops, vessel, heavy, admiral. These are also the words which were took from French as well. According to A.L.P. Smith, the main addition to the English language to change to a character in a fundamental way were from French. First of all, from the northern French of the Norman conquered, and they formed the literary and learned speech of Paris. Even before the Norman conquest, the English people had become acquainted with the Norman culture and way of life because of the social, political, and ecclesiastical intercourse between the two nations, following upon the marriage of the English king Ethelred, the reign of Edward the Confessor. Norman nobles were placed in important position in England, and the fortified buildings in which they stayed were known as castles. Along the 18th century, loan words, yes, loan words, LOAN loan words may be mentioned emigre, regime, corps, picnic, depot, bureau, canteen, content, etc. A new impulse was given to the French influence in the beginning of the 13th century because of the dominant place which French had come to assume in matters of culture and literature. As in our previous video, we had already discussed that many of the English words has came from Latin and French. So, how the English word came from French? So, it probably around 1066 when the Normans came to invade England, they brought all their French vocabulary with them and changed the English language. Around 1066, when the when the French peoples came to England to invade there, they come with all their vocabulary, with all their terms, and change the English language. It is why English often has different words for the same concept, as the dialect of which was becoming culturally important was the central of Persian French. Persian French, it means who the people lived in French who uses the language Persia, Parish language, which was a very different in pronunciation from the Norman French. Now a series of Central French words like chancellor, charity were introduced into English through the Norman French equivalent. Chancellor and cattle were already known to English. The reason for this is over 10,000 English words came from French. Many others come from Latin, as I told you earlier, the language from which French originated. This means that a significant number of English words have either exact French counterparts or very similar equivalents in French as well. So that's it for this video lecture. In next video we will discuss about the Old English. Thank you everyone.